when you're replacing your seals, like for example your torque converter shaft seals or your CV axle seals, make sure that they are clean, because if you leave any dirt, then it will be a potential leak. Now some practices, they would use silicone to add, security, that it will not leak in the future. For me, if it's not machined, if it's OEM, you really don't need to put silicone, because these are forced to fit. They're metal with a rubber surface that will actually make the seal. This should sit flat or flush, because if you will measure this will be the same as this. Now, surprisingly, it's not. So this is OEM, but they are not the same. So this will sit a bit lower. Now to put this in, I would use this, and then as much as possible hammer it in evenly. Now, because we need to push this inner, we might have to use something that will go on here, or we can use the old seal like so. There you go. Okay, that's good. Dog hair. Now for this, we use OEM from Mitsubishi, and same with the axle shaft seal. So I'll be using a smaller one. That's good. There you go. Now, if you want to make sure that it's in, use the old seal, tuck the outer seal, and now don't forget to lube it. Put lubricant. Now don't use any grease. Use transmission. This is transmission lube. Don't use any ordinary lube, because that may damage your solenoids in the future. Okay. I should have lubed this before I installed this. There you go. And of course, lube the shafts.